Hi guys, today we're doing another bike question. Today we're doing a yellow Bonneville. So let's get cleared. So the first thing we need to do is do our rings down, and then we can put a bit of shine on those wheels with a bit of
excellent
cleaning. And it's now we can undo the wheels. That's one wheel, check. Two wheel, check. Good job. Good job.
Great shot.
Great shot. So now we can go on to the rinse. Rinse.
Magnificent.
So now, yeah. Now we can go into the dryer.
Nice.
So now we've done that,
Splendid.
we can finish off just doing a little shine
Super.
shimmer. A good job. Now to do our wheels. The wheels are really cool. So now we can go for a ride. Brum brum, brum brum, choo 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 choo, brum brum, brum brum, brum 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 brum. So that is the end of this video. See you in the next video. Bye guys.